Let's recreate a soft glam makeup look. You can carry this look for almost every occasion and it would look flawless on any skin tone, any face shape, any age. You can never go wrong with a soft feminine face. First, moisturize your face and set your brows with a clear brow gel. Use an illuminating highlighter for a glamorous base. Only apply to highest points of your face. I generally use a darker concealer shade for color correcting on my pigmented areas around my lips. Create a glamorous foundation base by mixing your foundation with an illuminator. I personally do not like to use excess foundation on my skin. Use a lighter concealer to places according to your face shape. I personally like to apply contour with brush, that way it would create a soft shade instead of creating harsh lines. Set your concealer with either translucent powder or banana powder, whatever suits your skin tone. I know there are many techniques of contouring your nose, but this old technique works for me. I look natural. You can definitely use your own technique. I am using Silk and Satin blush from Blue Heaven Cosmetics today. I have enough dark circles recently, so concealer is a must. I will partially fill my brows and create the arch shape. Again, liquid highlighter to highlight your cheekbones because we are creating glam. I'm using the Zen Nudes eyeshadow kit palette in the shade Hella Fine for creating the soft peachy pinkish base. Then using the Popping By shade for creating the cut crease. Use a lighter shimmer shade to further enhance the cut crease and the brow bones. You can use a brown eyeliner pencil to create the wing, but here I am using a precise brush to make a soft brown wing. Don't forget to apply eyeshadow to your lower lids. Highlight your inner corners. We need a powder blush on top to finish the glam look. We also need a powder highlighter. Don't forget to apply mascara on your lower eyelashes. I'm using the Lipliner shade Burgundy from MyGlamm. Isn't the shade so pretty? I'm using the shade Soft Pink of MyGlamm Pose HD lipstick for filling my lips. Contouring your lips is optional. I'm using an extra bronzer all over my face. This is also optional. Hope you like my video. Please try this and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video and share it for future references. Thank you for watching.
And you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now?